Palm oil versus coconut oil, the better choice. Both palm oil and coconut oil are extremely popular choices of edible oils worldwide. They have their nutritional benefits and environmental impacts. Today, we'll talk about the key differences between palm oil versus coconut oil, and which one should you choose. Nutrition in a nutshell. As edible oils go, palm and coconut oil both are very nutritious and possess no significant threats to health. But, palm oil is more enriched with nutrients than coconut oils. Palm oil contains much less saturated fat than most other oils, which is good. On the other hand, it contains more polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats than coconut oil, which is also good for health. You also get better vitamins from palm oil too. It's enriched with vitamin E complex, vitamin K, alpha, and beta carotenes, which are almost non-existent in coconut oil. For a low-calories diet, palm oil is a better choice. While palm oil only contains irons, coconut oil comes with lots of irons, calcium, and zinc. Coconut oil is the better choice for a low-fat diet. Although coconut oil comes with lots of nutrients and benefits, palm oil is more enriched with vitamins and fats, and thus provides better nutrition for most cases. Price comparison. Here, the differences appear high. Palm oil is much cheaper than coconut oil, which is considerably expensive. Coconut oils can cost from 1.3 times to more than 4 times than palm oil on any given day. For this reason, palm oils are used in many products beyond just food for its cost effectiveness and replaced various nutrient members for the same reason. Production efficiency. The reason for palm oils to be cheap is that they're much easier to produce. Coconut plantations demand more cost and hands-on approach, while palm trees can be produced all year long in most of the soil types. The only downside is, palm trees can't grow properly with other crops, and you need dedicated space for them. Moreover, since the use of bees and beetles for palm tree pollination, the process became much faster and requires less human operators for the same amount of coconut production. Palm trees yield more oil per unit area than any other crop. So, production efficiency is much greater for palm oils than coconut oils. Environment impacts. All these palm oil advantages must come with a price, and indeed that is. Palm oil production has led to various environmental hindrances. The tree itself isn't harmful in any way, but the ease of production and global demand led to some human issues for palm oil. As you need a dedicated space for palm trees to grow, many countries worldwide have deforested and destroyed the tropical rainforests for palm trees to grow more and expand the business. This has led to very high CO2 footprints and hampered natural habitats for many rare animals. The rate of deforestation due to palm trees is alarming, which is a big player in triggering climate change and biodiversity issues. To tackle this, we must limit palm oil usage and depend more on soybean, corn, and sunflower oils. But the global demand isn't going anywhere soon, and the environment is paying the price. Verdict. We've seen two sides of the advantages and impacts between palm and coconut oils. Palm oils are superior in nutrition and also cost-effective, but for the sake of the environment, we must limit its consumption by ourselves, because the business won't stop themselves if demands are on the rise. Plans are also being developed and applied worldwide to structure the business models for sustainability.